So I want to quickly look into the structure of BTC, and I would like to start from the weekly time frame. The reason to look at it from the weekly time frame is to get a clear directional bias, especially using a line chart perspective. The reason is simple that if on a weekly time frame there is a break of structure and you ignore it, you are most likely going to have issue on a daily time frame. The probability is very high that you're going to have issue. So on weekly time frame, the bias remains actively positive on the buying side. And I want to put some things into consideration. So when you see here on weekly TF, so we have resistance one here, and we have another one by way of weak rejection there. Then we have another one here. So we have three resistance structure. Let me put into context ROS. Resistance becomes support and breakout structure on weekly time frame. So that's the second one. Sorry, the third one. This is the first one. So we have three resistance structures giving us ascending trend line ATL, and we broke that roof, three resistance roof, to return price as RT slash SR, where support becomes resistance 1, support becomes resistance 2. So technically that's a demand floor. It's a technical demand floor. So what I'm expecting now is a technical breakout from here, a technical breakout from this structure. Believe it or not, it's a sell confirmation on retest and we go down. Yes. And if we are going down, if you ask me, where do I like? I like this structure. I like this structure here. The price action at this level is very strong. And remember, we have FOMC uh, rate decision coming up. This is a very nice area that have not been tested. And if we have a critical turn on weekly time frame, this could technically be another demand floor. It could technically be another demand floor here at this area. So what we must factor now is let's go back to the daily time frame. So on weekly time frame, we're good. So our buy bias remains intact on weekly time frame. So let's look at it on the daily time frame. Also see if we have a clear breakout from weekly trend starting from here. July we had a support become resistance 1, support become resistance 2, support become resistance 3, breakout of structure followed by a retest, and you have seen what price have done there. So take it out, you see the price action, very clear and beautiful, very clear and beautiful. I always tell you, market structure never lies. Market structure never lies. So let me also put it also into context. Let me put it into context. That's RT slash SR1, support become resistance, a retest candle. Remember, these are all retest candles, and you have seen them keep retesting. We got it again. Breakout of structure followed by a retest. Technical RTROS retest candle, and resistance becomes support and breakout structure. 1, and 2 and 3 breakout of structure. Price returns as RT SR. So technical, that's a technical support floor, that descending trend line constituting a demand floor. And you have seen what it did there. You have seen what it did there. So technically, we are looking out for a breakout of that structure. But that is not going to happen because you see the daily candle have come there, reacted, and it's moving back. It's moving back. And one key thing which you must also note using the line chart perspective, and you try to zoom in, is I'm looking for a technical breakout of the structure as buy confirmation. Now, price has given you a very beautiful litmus test for buy confirmation. Support structure 1, breakout of structure, resistance structure 1, resistance structure 2. So that has become my new buy continuation cap. So in the future, if price, I don't know what's up to, but if it breaks out from this 3 roof, then it becomes a technical buy confirmation. So if we got to push into the structure and it breaks it, it becomes a buy continuation. That means that the bulls have resumed market. And if the bulls resume market, of course, let's not forget, we don't know the magnitude of the liquidity. And lately, we've been seeing good money. We've been seeing good money. So if they revert that money to crypto, you could see a push into the structure around 136K. Yes, that could be, it could even be something more than this. It could be something more than this. No one can actually tell what the market wants to do, but the most important thing is to follow the structure of the market. So this is what I see technically. This is what I see technically. Technically, this is what I see. There is nothing else in the market that is not more that can be more than this. This is technically what the market is saying. So I think on weekly, we are not where we want to yet be. So if we break out from the structure and we come back here, of course we challenge 74 and could technically use here as a resistance and come down here. These are case scenarios. Do not forget, these are case scenarios. These are also another beautiful floor. We have a beautiful floor at this level too. So where price can also leverage on is also another beautiful floor. If we have an aggressive fall, of course 54 could be a pending demand floor. It could be a pending demand floor. So the market structure never lies. Always stay true to the market structure. Wish you good luck. ShaviFS Hub will never reach out to you for account management or for soliciting of capital. Anyone parading as ShaviFS Hub is just a part of the 419 gang who are there to extort you. We are purely for educational and which is free for now. Bye bye. Wish you a happy day. Bye.